Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $1.9550, as you can see looking at this particular chart. There is a continuous upside we have seen, but the volatility is quite good, as you can see looking at this particular chart. So you have to set your SLS for the volatility, otherwise, and as well as your quantity, you have to decide as per that. These are all things I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that, mail me regarding it, we can work on the timings. Now look at this particular chart. There is a continuous upside we have seen. It has been gapped up, okay, with a high around $2.0380. Looking at this, okay, and now if you look at this particular chart, this is after Feb of first week. We have seen that the range has come, okay, and now it has above this particular level. Chances can be high because a swing is already performed, so we can see there is a probability of further upside movement we can see. Now two things that you have to note here, that there is a zone breakout happens after a month, so probability of going further upside is there. But if you look at the overall trend is downside, okay, continuous downside, okay. This is the second thing. Third thing is that it was moving in this zone, so once started moving again, it came in a zone of around $2.048, then it will move again in this zone. So what you have to look at this particular trend, that once the price started moving above this particular zone, so it will move in this particular trends, okay. As soon as the price started going up $2, then a probability of touching 2.3 will be there, and 2.5, and then 2.7. And if you look at the dollar index also, you will understand clearly that the dollar index continuously upside was, if you look at the dollar index also, the dollar index was continuously moving upside, but after making a half around 104.9, there is a continuous fall. So you have to look at the two prices. One, this particular support. So if the price started moving above a level of 104.6, chances of going further upside we can see for the dollar index, and then we can see a natural gas price can move further low because they are inversely related. Second thing is that this bigger opposite pattern is supporting this particular trend, so chances can be high that as soon as the price started going below a level of 103.6, a further fall we can see for dollar index, and then natural gas price can rise. Okay, these are the two probability we can see. But overall trend, if you look at this for this particular month, we have seen there is a continuous fall, and this particular bigger pattern is supporting a downtrend. Okay, so you have to understand to 106.4.6, 106.3.6, then it would move further down. Now let's see on the natural gas prices. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand. Okay, now let's see if the price sustain this level. Probability of going towards a level of $2.028 will be there, and if the price moving up that level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2.0895. Okay, and chances can be high that we can see if the price move up that particular level, we can see a level of $2.1105, and if that's sustained, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.165. Chances can be high as soon as the price started going up that particular level, chance of going towards 2.25 will be there, and if that's sustained, a further upside we can see towards $2.32. Keep that in mind that it will move in the zone if the price started going up $2. We can see if the price sustain above 2.3, we can see a level of 2.57, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2.79. If the price keep moving up that level, a level of around 2.9 we can see, and from there it will move up to a level of 3, touching a level of 3.5 and then 3.6. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of around $1.948, and if that level move further low, then a probability of touching 1.86 will be there. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a further fall towards 1.67 we can see, and if that level, then we can see this particular trend will support, and chances of going towards a level of 1.69 we can see, and if that didn't sustain, then probability of going towards 1.65. Then there is a higher chances that it can go further down, and a probability of touching $1.6075 will be there, and it will move in this particular zone, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high, a further fall we can see towards 1.59, and if that level move further down, then we can see it will go towards a level of $1.529. Okay, and if the price keep moving below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, if the price fall below 1.5,